Santa, for being a good boy. It's really big.
It's big, yeah. What do you think's in it? Whoa, don't drop it. It might break. Open it up so you can see what it is.
Rip this paper up. Just like that. Oh my goodness.
What is it?
What's the picture?
What is it?
Drums.
Did Santa bring you drums?
That extra one.
You got a big drum from Santa?
No, the extra one.
An extra drum?
Wow. So Daddy helped open it.
Yeah.
Did you ask for a drum from Santa on your list? How did Santa know?
Hang on, Daddy needs...
Supplies. Daddy's got his supplies ready.
Daddy's got a prize, Mom?
All right, well, Daddy opens it up. You open another present. Give him another present, Daddy.
How about this? Oh, it's heavy.
No, it's a little bit heavy. That's a little bit heavy.
Oh, you have to... Are you getting...
Oh my goodness. It's a big drum.
Oh! Wow! Oh my goodness.
That one's the extra one. The extra one.
Mind your fingers with that.
Oh my goodness, Santa knew exactly what William wanted for Christmas. Wow.
What's that one
I think
for?
that's the seat to sit
And you
on.
got a stool to sit on? Oh my.
I hope no one's sleeping on our street.
Somebody was up there at 6 o'clock this morning. 5:36.
Do you want to open this one while Daddy gets this one ready? I want to know what's in here.
Look at